Hello there. In today's Excel tutorial, we are going to dive into one of the fundamental of Excel, the average function. Whether you are beginner or an Excel pro, understanding how to use the average function is essential for data analysis and calculation. So let's get started. First, let's understand what the average functions does. It calculates the arithmetic means of a range of number. In other words, it helps you to find the average value of a set of data point. The sentence of the average function is quite simple. Is just use the average and it select the range, and like the range represent the cells or numbers where you want to calculate the average of. Okay, let's start with the example. Here I use the total sales in there, and this is the sales report. Then I want to use it was all other range, this range for use the average. So you share the average function, this one. Then I gonna just select the range and close it with the parenthesis, then hit on the OK, and here you got it. So this is the average of those number. Okay, so by selecting the range you can easily get the average of the selected range in your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so and there you have it. You now know how to use the average function in Excel to quickly calculate the average of set of numbers. It's a handy tools for data analysis and reporting. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.